warm and very humid, but there is a huge area of a slight risk for much of the state, from North Platte all the way up towards Chadron, Valentine, O'Neill, Lincoln, down to the very southeastern corner of the state. The Panhandle, which has seen its fair share of severe weather this I almost said spring. It feels like spring with all the severe weather this summer. They should miss out on the severe weather. But the chances are for tornado, 2%, and so that means like maybe 1 or 2 tornado warnings could be issued. That threat is pretty small. Large hail. Hail 2 inches in diameter, that's where these black hash marks here, that's what that means. So a big area could see large hail, and then damaging wind in excess of 75 miles per hour stretches from Valentine all the way down to Lincoln and Omaha. So here we go with the stormcast. This is 10 p.m. So like I said, this is likely overnight, and it starts in north central and northwest Nebraska late, and then eventually, I'm going to go hour by hour here. This is 11 p.m. making its way into north central Nebraska, O'Neill, Holt County by midnight, and then it starts to dive south and east. Large hail, damaging wind out of this. This is 1 a.m. 2 a.m. starting to make its way into north central and central Nebraska. Scooches a little further south and east. This would be large hail and damaging wind. Lots of big hail there by 3 a.m. 4 a.m. starts to make its way into Lincoln, the Omaha area by 4 to 5 o'clock in the morning. And then by 6 or 7 o'clock, this is 5 a.m., should be out of there. But notice it stretches a little further north, so we could see this stick around until it starts to move east. Redevelopment by 9 a.m., more storms possible through 8-9 time frame before it eventually moves off to the east by noon. So interesting storm setup. We don't see this very often, and the potential for rain, if you get under one of those thunderstorms, it's going to be heavy rain and large hail, but anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch. Some spots may miss it, some spots may get a lot. Your neighbor may see an inch and you might see 1/10 of an inch. It's going to be one of those storms. Tonight, temperatures will fall to around the middle and upper 60s to around 70. High temperatures will be in the middle and upper 80s to around 90, and really, really thick with the dew point tomorrow, between 70 and 75 degrees. So the heat index by tomorrow afternoon, after the severe weather potential, could be around 100 degrees in some spots. So, sorry. 90 degrees on Thursday, small chance for thunderstorms. The morning storms on Wednesday, then a small chance on Thursday, another chance for thunderstorms on Friday, and then just teeny tiny chances Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with those temperatures about normal, upper 80s to around 90. Looks like most of next week will be on the hot side. Just a few chances here and there for storms. But the severe weather threat is out there tonight, but it's going to take a while. It'll probably be 10, 11 o'clock at night before things really start to get going.
You know, when we met for our afternoon news meeting on Monday, Rusty told us just be ready all this week. We're going to have the chances there. So we've been leading with weather a lot, probably more than I can remember in past memory. So, and for good reason. It affects everybody, right, Rusty?
It really does, and it's unfortunate this one's an overnight. Those are the worst because you're sleeping. So have a way to get yourself awake if severe storms move into your area.
Thank you very much, Rusty. We appreciate it. Positive gains on Wall Street.